guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Automech and we are getting a muffler delete for our Skoda. There you can see it. We are getting parked. Some site at the show. It's a M3 and it has some beautiful BBS wheels. And the exhaust tips are just amazing. And the rear diffuser and everything. Sick setup. But nevertheless, we are getting the Laura in and getting the muffler deleted, and let's see how the sound turns out. I'll show you once they get it up on the rack and we'll see from there. This is the current sound. So mainly you can hear the turbo flatter only. The exhaust is pretty much not there. Now I'll show you the after shot. Basically this is the underbody of the car. This is the first muffler. This is the second, and in the front you have the resonator and the cat. It's really hot in here, but this is a cat na upar. That is the cat, if you can see. This is the resonator, and this is the second, and we'll be deleting this one, so I'll show you how it goes. So we're deleting this muffler first and we'll see the sound, and if needed the other one will be deleted as well, and we'll put a new one if needed. So they're just welding it out right now. So the rear muffler is out. This is how it is. Front is running nothing. So now they're installing the tips and they're just leveling it out. So you can see they're using the calipers and stuff to make sure it's completely leveled. And yeah, and then we'll just pipe it out, weld it out, and it will be done. And I'll share an after and before video soon. So guys, the car is finally coming down and the exhaust is completely fitted, welded. And now we'll start the car and take a before and after shot.